Welcome back everyone. Think your Samsung phone has a virus? How to remove it now? Don't worry. You are in the right place. This video I am showing few simple settings or few steps you can follow this easily fix it. So let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone. Simply restart it. To do that, find the power and volume down button on your phone. Simply press and hold the both button at the same time and wait a few seconds. After the pop-up menu appear, click on restart, tap on restart again and wait to turn back on your phone. After your phone is turned back on, simply go to settings. Once you are in the settings, scroll all the way to the very bottom, open device care. Here you can find any scan option. There simply scanning your phone. Right now my phone already scanning and show up great. After that, scroll down again, tap on app protection, then click on scan phone and wait to complete the scanning process. After the process is complete, simply go back to the main settings page, then scroll down again, go to apps option and wait to open them. After that, here you can find any unwanted apps. If you no longer to need it, simply tap on their name to open it. For example, I am open this app. After that, look at the bottom menu bar, you can see uninstall button. Simply tap on it, then confirm it and automatically uninstall the app. After it done, go back main settings again and check any update available or not. So open software update option, click on check for update and wait to complete the checking process. You can find any update option appear your phone. Simply follow the on-screen instruction to update your phone to the latest version. For my phone already up to date One UI 8.5. After it done, simply close it. Then open the Play Store app. Tap on your profile icon top right corner. Here scroll down, you can see Play Protect option. Tap on it. If it turn off, simply turn it on first. After that, click on the scan option and wait to complete the scanning process. If you found any harmful app there, simply uninstall the harmful apps. After that, you can go back to the main page, then go back to home screen. This time you can open the Chrome browser or default browser app your device. After that, click on the three dots more button top right corner, go to history, then click on delete browsing data. Then select all of the browsing history option, cookies and site data, cache images and file. Also set the time limit. You can select all time. After it done, tap on delete data and successfully clear it. Then close the app. Now reopen the Google Play Store app. Use the search bar. Simply search for antivirus cleaner app or scanner app. After you found any trusted app, for example, you can find AVG antivirus and scanner app, simply open it. Then install it first. After the installation is complete, open the app and allow some of necessary permission. Now first tap on the run smart scan option. Now you can scroll again, open junk cleaner option and complete the cleaning process your phone. After it done, simply close the app. Then if your problem is still, don't worry, you can activate the safe mode. To do that, swipe the top of the screen to open the quick panel, find the power icon appear, simply tap on it. Here you can find the power off option, tap on hold it. Then click on safe mode and automatically turn on safe mode and check this time it work or not. If your virus is still, don't worry, you can fix this last option. So factory reset your phone. To do that, go to settings, scroll down slowly, open accounts and backup. Click on backup data. First of all, make sure to your all of important data, photos, videos, you can backup it first before factory reset your phone. Not be again factory reset, because if you ever factory reset your phone, delete all of the important files document your device. After the backup is complete, Go back main settings, scroll all the way to the very bottom, open general management, scroll down again, go to reset. After that, scroll again, tap on the factory data reset. After the page is open, scroll all the way to the very bottom, click on reset option, verify to enter your phone screen password, confirm by tapping the delete all option, and automatically factory reset your phone, and after your phone is back on, look like brand new condition and smoothly work. That's it guys, you are done. If you found this guide will help you, please subscribe to my channel, like this video. Thanks for watching.